Are you sitting comfortably? Well, then I'll begin. Don't know if you've noticed, but it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And here you will find our Christmas programme. It's very different to our usual Christmas activities, but we invite you to join in with us and to be filled with peace, hope and a joy that comes through a living and vibrant relationship with Jesus Christ. Now, all of our morning services will be hybrid, which means they're both being broadcast, live streamed on YouTube, and we will have a congregation here with us. But it will be just our morning services that are hybrid. Our season kicks off on Saturday the 5th of December with a full house joining us for the Zoom Who Done It. The last one was absolutely brilliant and we've already got over 100 people booked on. It's full. So if you get this, sorry, you can't join for that one. But on Sunday the 6th of December, 10:30, our hybrid service with a guest speaker, Pastor James Bell, all the way from across the water in Essex. And he starts our Christmas programme with the birth of John foretold. On Sunday the 13th, I'll be talking about the birth of the Baptist. Sunday the 20th is our morning nativity. And then join us in the evening on YouTube for our carol service with Compassion, which is an international child sponsorship and Christian humanitarian aid organisation. And there will be chances to sponsor children during that carol service. So join with us for that on YouTube. On Christmas Day, we have a special fun interview on YouTube all the way. Our guest speaker is all the way from Lapland. Yes, it's Santa, and with no expense at all, he'll be interviewed by Elvis. Now, during this gripping dialogue, there will be over 30 Elvis songs hidden in the dialogue. See if you can find them. And 9 Christmas carols will be mentioned. See if you can get them all. We close our Christmas series on Sunday the 27th of December with Simeon Garrett speaking to us all the way from Bonnie, Scotland on My Eyes Have Seen Your Salvation. So we hope you can join us and have a very Merry Christmas, one and all. Now, if you see below, you'll see all of our details. Don't forget to subscribe. That's in the little red box. And if you click on the box with the angel, you'll get a very special Christmas message. So we trust that you'll be blessed this Christmas as we explore the birth of our Saviour together. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.